Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of learning. So, in this video, we are going to discuss solving quadratic equation by factoring. So, where a is equal to 1. Okay, let's have example number 1. X squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, take note lang guys, if you are going to use factoring in quadratic equation, so make sure na naka-standard form siya, or in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, in example number 1, naka-standard form naman siya. So, proceed to factoring. First step is to factor the first term or yung quadratic term natin. So, i-form natin siya as two binomials. So, factors ng x squared, that is x times x. Okay? Then, after getting the factors of the first term, ifa-factor naman natin yung constant term or yung last term. So, ang factors ng constant term dapat pag inad natin is the coefficient b or yung ating coefficient sa linear term. So, ang gawin lang natin is i-write lang natin lahat ng possible factors ng 6 na pag inad natin ay magiging 5. So, yung 6 pwede maging 6 times 1, pwede rin maging 3 times 2, pwede maging negative 6 times negative 1, pwede rin maging negative 3 times negative 2. So, alin sa mga factors na yan, ang pag-inad natin is the coefficient of the linear term or yung ating coefficient b, which is 5. So, try natin yung una, 6 plus 1, 5 ba yan? Okay, hindi. So, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, therefore, ito ang gagamitin nating factors. So, write lang natin dito, plus 3 and plus 2, since positive factors sila. Then, equal to 0. Okay, applying the zero product property, pwede nating equal sa 0 yung bawat factors. So, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then, to solve for x, transfer 3. So, that is x is equal to negative 3. So, we have x sub 1, which is negative 3. And transfer 2. So, magiging x is equal to negative 2. Or x sub 2 is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, next, example number 2. So, we have x squared minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Again, make sure lang na naka-standard form na yung ating equation. So, since naka-standard form na siya, ang gagawin natin is to proceed to factoring. Factor of first term. So, i-write natin siya as binomial. Okay? So, x times x. And again, so, equal natin sa 0. Factors ng negative 7 na pag inad ay yung dapat yung ating coefficient b. So, i-rate lang natin lahat ng possible factors ng negative 7. So, that is negative 7 times 1 and negative 1 times 7. So, alin sa mga factors na yan, yung pag inad natin is negative 6 ang lalabas. So, try natin. Negative 7 plus 1, that is negative 6. Okay, negative 6 kaagad ang lalabas. So, meaning, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, that is minus 7 and plus 1. So, pwede mag-interchange yan. Pwede mauna yung plus 1. Pwede maging pangalawa naman yung minus 7. So, zero product property, magiging x minus 7 is equal to 0. And x plus 1 is equal to 0. To solve for x, transfer negative 7. So, magiging x is equal to 7. So, x sub 1 natin ay 7. And also, x plus 1, transfer natin yung 1. So, magiging x is equal to negative 1. So, x sub 2 natin ay negative 1. And example number 3. So, x squared plus 14 is equal to 9x. So, in this example, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, ang gagawin natin is to transform it in standard form. So, i-transfer lang natin tong 9x sa left side. So, magiging x square. Then, minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. Then, after natin sa standard form, proceed to factoring. So, factor of first term, okay, write natin as binomial, is equal to 0. So, factor of first term, x times x, and factors of 14 na pag inad natin ay negative 9. So, write natin yung possible factors. So, that is 7 times 2. Pwede ring negative 7 times negative 2. Pwede ring, okay, 14 times 1. Or pwede ring negative 14 times negative 1. So, alin sa mga possible factors natin na pag inad natin ay makukuha natin negative 9. So, yung una, 7 plus 2, that is positive 9. So, hindi. Kasi negative yung coefficient b natin. Yung next factors, negative 7 plus negative 2, that is negative 9. So, meaning, ito yung gagamitin nating factors. So, that is minus 7 and minus 2. Okay? Then, zero product property. Equate natin both factors to 0. So, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, to solve for x, again, x minus 7 is equal to 0, transfer. So, magiging x is equal to 7. X sub 1 is equal to 7. Then, x minus 2 is equal to 0, transfer negative 2. So, x is equal to 2. So, x sub 2 is equal to 2. Okay? So, I hope nakuha natin on how to factor trinomial or quadratic equation. So, where a is equal to 1. I hope nakatulong tong video natin and see you on our next upload. God bless everyone!